Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right files and permissions. First, confirm your Minecraft PE version matches the data pack's stated compatibility so nothing breaks. Once done, download the MacPack or zip to your device or cloud storage and note its location. Make sure you enable experimental gameplay in the world settings if the pack modifies behaviors. This prevents silent failures. You should also close Minecraft before installing so the game can register new files when launched next. Now you put files where Minecraft reads them. If you have a MacPack, tap Open with Minecraft and wait for the import confirmation. This is the easiest route. For zipped packs, extract to the game's /com. Mojang /behavior packs or resource packs folder on Android or use a file manager app on iOS similarly. Place behavior and resource packs in their correct folders. Once done, restart Minecraft, open your world's edit screen, and inspect the available packs list to enable imported packs. Finish by activating and testing the pack. In world settings, move the imported packs from available to active and adjust their order if both resource and behavior packs exist. Order effects overrides. Create a backup or open a copy of your world and test new items or mechanics to ensure they behave as expected. If things fail, check version compatibility, confirm the file structure matches Minecraft's required folders, and verify experimental gameplay is set. Fixing one of those usually resolves import issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.